Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to cancel AMC Plus on Amazon. So first, launch your web browser and go to amazon.com. So first, make sure you sign in with your account, and then on the top right corner of your screen, you will see accounts and lists. Hover on that and then find for memberships and subscriptions. Click on it. And once you're here, this is where the page where all of your memberships and subscriptions and any type of plans will appear here. Now to cancel your AMC Plus, you will see an AMC Plus here on the left side and then app subscription settings beside your payment method. So click on that app subscription settings. You will see your current AMC Plus subscription here again, and then the price and then the status. And now you must click the actions button. Once you click that, you will see a turn off auto renewal hyperlink. Click on that. They will ask you why you cancel. Just click an option here and then click continue to cancel. Basically, that's it. Your AMC Plus on Amazon is now canceled.